Hello guys, welcome to the 2024 edition of Zimdancehall Artists and their partners. This is part 1 of 2. We start off the list with Raspombi. It's amazing how he has grown up right in front of our eyes, and very soon he will be saying I do, I do. Many details about Raspombi's relationship are not yet disclosed to the public, but he is in a relationship with a girl called Lynn. Our number 2 is another Zimdancehall youngster, Simbarashe Magado, popularly known as Windsor Lula Lula. Windsor and his girlfriend Maloti are quite popular as they are somewhat a controversial couple. Their relationship has been on and off ever since last year when it became public. Pumako and his wife are also another adorable young couple in the Zimdancehall industry. They've been married for several years and they only have one daughter who is 4 years old. After his first marriage ended in a lot of controversy, Fantan married his alleged side chick Vimbai. They've been married for 2 years and they currently have only one child together. Rascaleb and his wife Thoma are quite the exception and a true testament of the saying a couple that does everything together stays together. They've been married for more than 10 years and are parents to 2 daughters. Jamaster paid Rora for his wife Maiti Chafa in 2020. They are probably one of the least controversial Zimdancehall couples and they have 2 children.